Hello everyone, this video is to show you how to use our InsuredMine Agent app. You can find it in your app store by searching I Am Agent. Those are the initials for InsuredMine. So I Am Agent. Once downloaded, you can sign in using your login email and password that you use to normally log into your InsuredMine portal. The first page that you'll see here is a dashboard. So this dashboard that you see is going to be different than the dashboard that you have in InsuredMine that shows you your agency book of business. In this dashboard, you'll see one deals based on pipeline. So up in the top left, you can switch between pipelines. You'll see that I have my personal pipeline selected. On the right hand, you can select the month. It will default to the current month that you're in. And then down below, you can see your won deals by quotes. So policies would be the number of quotes you've won, the amount of premium that were on those policies, and revenue as well. If you switch to the next page, so notice that there's three pages on this dashboard. You'll see daily highlights. So here in daily highlights, you can see any meetings scheduled, tasks due, pipeline cards, policies expiring, campaigns scheduled to send out today, or to-do items that you have on your checklist. You can view these from here, however, they cannot be modified if you click on these sections. Next, you'll be able to see on the next page, you can see activity today. So remember that activity is anything that you've done through the InsuredMine portal. So any files, notes, tasks, emails, texts, or calendar events that you've created or sent out will show here. Up at the top, you'll notice that you still do have access to your smart search. So the smart search works to search from accounts, contacts, and policies within the InsuredMine portal. So if you have an AMS that allows you to search by any other fields, those won't appear here in the smart search in the app. On our next page, you see the pipeline. And so up at the top, you can select between different pipelines if you have multiple pipelines created. You can also select between your private and shared board. You do have the option to filter out the cards that you have in your pipeline or search for cards in the top right corner with the filter or the search, the magnifying glass search bar. And you can apply those filters or reset them. Below the selected pipeline, you'll see that you can see your stages that you have in your pipeline. So I have new lead, contacted, quoting, quote sent, etc. So you can review the cards that you have in each stage. Within a deal card, you have the option or the ability to add notes, to send text messages, add files, add tasks, or send emails to the contact associated with the card. You can also, if you look above in the top, you'll see won or lost. So you can mark a deal card as won or lost using the app. So for one, you have the option for the one date, to add labels, one description. For lost, you have the option to select labels as well, add the lost deal reason, the lost description, and you can also set an X date for that deal. This is very useful to have the pipeline available to you through the mobile app, because say you're out in public and somebody requests a quote, or you start a conversation with somebody and let them know you're an insurance agent and they would like a quote from you, you can click on the plus sign down in the bottom right hand corner and you can create a deal card for that person. The deal card that you create, it does also create the contact and the account within InsuredMine. Next, we do also have contacts. So here in the contacts tab, it's actually contacts and accounts. So you'll see at the top, you can switch between contacts and accounts that you have in the system. You can search for contacts here. We don't have the option to filter out your contacts, however, but you can search within all your contacts, active, prospects, lead, other, etc. You can also say you don't want somebody directly in the pipeline just yet. You can add contacts that will create the contact and the account within InsuredMine. We do have the option to text as well. So here you can review all the text messages that we've sent. Through using your InsuredMine portal, you can also send text messages by adding a phone number and creating a message and sending it off to the contact. Under More, here you can view your task list if you'd like. So you can see tasks that are pending, or if you switch over to Done at the top, you can see tasks that you've previously completed. You do have the option to filter out or search in your tasks in the top right corner as well, or to create new tasks using the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner. You do also have a policy section under More, where you can view currently active, expired, and future policies. You do have the option to also add policies using the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner. And you can create a PIN if you'd like for double authentication or two-step authentication whenever you're logging into your InsuredMine app. If you ever need to contact support, we have a support section where you can send an email to our support team so that they can respond back to you by email, or you have the option to log out under More. If you have any questions over the app, feel free to get in contact with us, connect with your customer success manager. We would love to show you more on how you can use this app. Thank you.